$3 trillion wiped out in the worst market day since 2020. But Trump is still optimistic. It's April 4th, and you're watching the 13th hour. Chaos still continues after the "you tax us, we tax you harder" approach from the US. Wall Street didn't take it well. The S&P 500 cratered nearly 5%, the Nasdaq almost 6%, and the Dow flushed 1,679 points in a single day. Apple lost 9%, Nike dropped 14%. It was a liquidation party, and everyone got an invite. Total damage? Somewhere between 2.5 and 3.1 trillion in market cap. Gone. Vanished. Deleted. Just red candles and tears now. But even though the market tanked, some experts are saying there is method to the madness. The counterpoint being that trimming the fat and focusing on American business is the play for long-term success. But perhaps timing and execution needs a little work. Crypto? Not immune. When TradFi gets rocked, crypto usually catches strays, and that's exactly what we saw. But not everyone's giving up on the bull run just yet. Yeah, Bitcoin got dragged, but some analysts are still eyeing a 6-digit breakout by 2025. Bitcoin dipped to $82,000, and yet Bitwise's Ryan Rasmussen isn't sweating. He says this is noise. Once the dust settles from the tariff fallout, the charts could turn bullish again. ETF inflows? Still green. Macro chaos? It actually boosts Bitcoin's hard money narrative. So if you're a believer in $200,000 Bitcoin, this could be your discount window. Just don't go full degen. This is DCA season, not leverage lotto. And speaking of betting on the future, Fidelity just tossed their hat into the altcoin ETF ring with a spot Solana ETF proposal. The SEC acknowledged the filing, and suddenly, Solana has a seat at the big boy table. The ETF would launch on SIBO BZX and hold real SOL. But despite the bullish news, Solana tanked 12% after the announcement. Why? Same reason everything else dumped, the tariff bomb. SIBO says Solana's liquid and decentralized enough to avoid needing a surveillance sharing agreement. With $2 billion in daily volume, they might have a point. So Solana's down now, but the ETF race is on. This could be the start of something huge. This has been today's issue of the 13th Hour. Want to learn more? Check out the 13th Hour website and subscribe to receive more cracked news drops every day.